Welcome back to EdQuest. I am your instructor. In this session, we will talk about imagine teaching a computer not by giving it step by step instructions but letting it learn from examples, just like we humans do. That's what machine learning is all about. Instead of writing code to tell a computer exactly what to do, we feed it data and it learns patterns, makes predictions, and improve over time. From recommending your next movie to helping doctors diagnose disease, machine learning powers some of the smartest tool we use every day. In simple terms, it's how machine learn from experiences, getting better the more data they see without needing to be explicitly programmed for every task. What is machine learning? Or we are calling it as ML. Machine learning or ML is a branch of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn from data and get better at a task without being explicitly programmed for every step. In simple terms, ML focuses on building models that can recognize patterns, make predictions, and adapt as they see more data. Let's take a real life example. Imagine teaching a child the difference between an apple and an orange. At first, the child might get confused. The two, they are both round and often similar in color. But with time, we observing shape, texture, and taste, and by making mistakes, the child learns to tell them apart correctly. Similarly, machine learns by making mistakes and improving using data instead of experience. That's the core idea of machine learning. Machine learning from data just like humans learn from experiences. Why is machine learning important? Machine learning plays a vital role in today's world. It helps automate decision making, saving time and reducing human error. Machine learning can analyze massive amount of data and extract useful insights that would be impossible to spot manually. And it's not just theory. Machine learning powers real world applications we use every day. Recommendation engines like Netflix and YouTube, fraud detection in banks, and even self driving cars. In short, machine learning turns data into intelligence, and that intelligence powers the future. In this section, we will talk about let's understand how machine learning works and how it's different from traditional software development. In traditional programming, we give the input and write rules or logic or algorithms like a function that adds two numbers and the computer gives its output. But in machine learning, it's the opposite. We provide the input and the output along with an algorithm, and the machine's job is to learn the pattern from this data. It keeps making mistakes, learning from them, and slowly building a model that can make accurate predictions. So, the key difference is in the traditional software, human writes the logic. In machine learning, machine learns the logic from data. That's how ML works. Let's look at two examples to understand the difference. Example 1. Traditional programming, we define a function to calculate sum of two numbers. We provide the input two numbers and the logic a function that adds them. The output is always the sum, simple and fixed. In different example, machine learning, now imagine we give the machine some input output pairs like input is 1 and 2 and the output is 3. Like input is 2 and 3 and the output is 5. Even though we have not given in the rules, the machine starts seeing a pattern. It's learning that these numbers are being added. This is basic example, but in the real world, the patterns are much more complex. And the machine learns these patterns by making mistakes and improving over time. That's how machine learning models get trained, by learning from data instead of being told exactly what to do. That's a high level look at machine learning in depth. In our next video, we will actually deeply understand machine learning and its types. So don't miss it. See you in the next session.